Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John R. and I'm your instructor. In this video, we're going to talk about this. What is it? Is it something that could get me a life sentence in a Turkish prison? Is it from the farm? Is it vegan? Do you know what it is? Well, if you think you know what it is, I want you to pause this video and type your response in the comments section, and that way we can see how smart you are compared to our other subscribers. Now, don't cheat, don't look at the other comments, because I'll know I'm a teacher. All right, pause the video and type your comment. Did you do it? Okay, time for the big reveal. What this is a block of microcrystalline wax. Now, this is something that's generally sold as a sculpture wax, and we don't need this much. Jewelers only need about this much. And what we do with it, because you can warm it up in your hands and mold it, you can attach it to a small wooden dowel, and what you make is a small wax stick. Now, what do we use this for? Let me show you. Most commonly, jewelers will form the wax stick into a shape like this, like a flame. And the small tip is used to just touch the top of a faceted gemstone so that that stone can be brought up and placed in the setting of a piece of jewelry. Now, another good use for this is if you have a stone that's in a bezel setting and you can't access the back and it's not sitting quite right and you need to get it out, you can take your wax stick and just plunge it onto the top surface of that stone and yank it out. This is a godsend. Now, where do I get some of this? You can find it on Amazon. It's readily available, but you just need a small portion of it. Now, I hope that this video helps you in your stone setting practice. If you want more information about stone setting or any other aspect of jewelry making, check us out at onlinejewelryacademy.com. The full playlist is always there for you. Now, be sure to like this video if you like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen and you'll instantly become a subscriber. We also post regularly to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you'd like to support the production of future Online Jewelry Academy videos, you can do that by making a contribution through Patreon. Thanks for watching.